So this way we can have any radius more than half, but 2 arcs. This line joining this line from this point to this point will be the perpendicular bisector of this line. Similarly, here we will do for this line. So this is the way of doing it. So now, okay, I will start it from the beginning again. So I told you the rough idea how we will do it. Okay. So first we have to draw, just you can draw with me. DC 7 centimeters. Draw a line BC 7 centimeters. BC 7 centimeters. Correct? From here, we'll draw a line up to 7 centimeters. Got it? This is 7. How much it is? 7 centimeters. This is what? BC. B and C. And in the previous, I think we have done 75 degree. Yeah, this is 105 and we did 75 also. So I'll do it again here. So 75 degree. Now you have to draw 75. 75 is what? 60 degree plus 15 degree. Correct? So you'll draw 60 degree, then half of it 30 degree and half of it 15 degree. So see here, we will draw first what? 60 degree, then half of it. So just remember that you in your class, you have to use compass to draw every degree given. So 70 degree we have to draw here. How much? 70 degree. So we can make one arc like this. And cut this arc. We get 60 degree. But we want how much? We want 75 degree. So if you will cut this arc again from this point, there are other many ways of drawing it. Do not think that this is the only way. We can do it in 90 also we can do, but I am doing this way. This is 60 plus 60, but you need half of 60, then half of 30. So half of 60, this is 60, 60, so you can mark half of 60. Second step, you can mark now half of 60 because this is 60, then you need 15. Till here, are you getting it? Till here, array. Till here, we have 60, correct? From here to here, we have 60 degree. And after that, from here to here, we have 60 degree. And here to here also 60 degree. So when we draw perpendicular bisector here, we get 30 degree. Then that half of 30 will be 15. So 60 plus 15, we get 75 degree. Got it? So we are doing half of 60 degree. This is half of 60 degree. From here, you can take the arc at this point and at this point. Got it? So this is what? This is 60 degree, but we have to join this line. So this will give you, this is how much? This is 30 degree. We got 30. And half of it, again, we need half of it. So we have to draw half of it. Can go with the same radii, the same radius, and draw an arc, draw another arc, to intersect this arc. If it is not intersecting, go back to the previous arc and you can increase the length of the previous arc like this. It will cut. So we got 75 degrees. What? This is we got 75 degrees. So make a big line till here. This is what? 75 degrees. So we have done 75 degrees. This is what? BC, or this point we can give this point as X. BC at 75 degrees. So we have done the 2 steps of constructions. We should write the steps of constructions. So I'll tell you steps of constructions also. So we can write here of steps of constructions. Number 1, what we did, this is BC 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC. Draw a line segment BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Short way of length 7 centimeter also we can write. Second time, we will not say this arc, that arc. CBX, draw an angle CX of measure 70 degree. Sorry, what that? 75 degree. 75 degree by using compass. Okay, third point now. Now AB, we have to check what is the sum AB plus BC. So now we have to cut from B 13 centimeter. So we have to measure the arc for 13 centimeter. That means this we will take 13 centimeter. The arc, we have to measure the arc 13 centimeter. From here, we have to go up to 13 centimeter. This is 10, 11, 12, 13 centimeter. Got it? It is about 13 centimeter. Correct? So you have to measure 13 centimeter. Then from B, from this B point, you will cut 13 centimeter. Is it visible? 13 centimeter. Okay, so you can draw. I can remove this if you are. It is not visible. 1 minute. I will remove the question. You understood the question?
Yes, sir.
So from here you can cut R. What is the length of R? BC 13 centimeter. That point you can say this point is what? BD. BD. Okay. So draw. What is the next step? Draw R BD. Draw an R BD of radius. Draw an arc of radius is the BD. I just don't write now BD. Draw an arc of radius 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters intersecting B intersecting BX at T. Then join DC. Now you have to join DC. Next step I have written here, join DC. This is join. So join DC. And then fourth step, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Fourth step is draw. We can write like this, perpendicular bisector. Now that bisector will be PQ. We'll take perpendicular bisector PQ of DC. Of DC simply. Of DC. Got it? How we will draw the perpendicular bisector? Not see this one. So we have to take more than half always, otherwise we cannot able to cut the arcs more than half. So we have to draw at C and take more than half and draw an arc. Do not change the radius now. Draw an arc this side, also the other side of this line. And with the same radius, now do not change the radius. You have to keep it at this point and cut these two arcs at C and D. At C and D, you are drawing the arc to cancel the previous arc. You can see, I think, clearly now. It is different color, so you can see this. Okay, got it? And this is PQ, or you can now you can draw the line joining these 2 points, joining this point to this point. Should be very clearly joining the, yeah, is better. So we can say that this is P and Q and make this arrow, and you can extend this line till here to show that this is PQ, it is the perpendicular bisector. Now almost we got the answer. This point where this bisector intersect BD, that point will be A. This is point A. Okay, this is what? This is point A, and join A to C, you get the required triangle ABC. ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Got it? ABC is the required triangle. So we have drawn this bisector. So the next step will be the bisector PQ intersect PD at A. And sixth step, join AC. Seventh step, ABC, triangle ABC is the required triangle. The required triangle. Now you can see, you can measure all the three sides. Their sum will be equal to 13 always. This is 7 and sum of the other two sides is given, but we have not used. Automatically we will get the sum as 13 centimeter, as it is given the perimeter is 13 centimeter. Got it, everyone? So what we have done, if we give the point, first I did 1, 2, join 1, 2, BC. Then we drew this line X, D point, we got D point third time. After that we joined these two and we drew this arc fourth and fifth and joining, and this intersect BD at A and A is joined with C. So like this, it is when sum of the two sides are given, base angle is given, angle is given. Our next construction is difference of the two sides. Anyone who is having any doubt, any problem in this, you can ask now. Yes, ask.
No, sorry, in this I'm done.
Yes.
Sir, in this we have to find we have to give the value by its ourselves, or the value will be given.
You didn't see the question. It was given in the question. Everything 75 degrees, 7 centimeter, some of the two sides. Question was angle 75 degrees, 7 centimeter is base, and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Got it? So a BD is equal to 13 centimeter. You can draw here 13 centimeter, right? 13 centimeter. So all things, all measurements will be given for drawing always construction.